Hi everyone. This will be a remake of my last tutorial because the frame rate, the overall quality was just absolutely horrible. And so this tutorial is all about porting hair meshes into DragonAge and make them usable for the game. This tutorial can probably be used for other aspects of DragonAge modding because it deals with textures and mesh files, but my focus is only on hairstyles and such. So, this video clip will show you the tools I use and where you get them, and links will be provided at the bottom of the video in the comments section. Alright, so first off, you need the game. Duh. You buy the game, but you also need the tool set, which is free. So you go to the BioWare social network and just search DragonAge toolset, and it should be able to pop up. So you scroll down to DragonAge Origins, and toolset's right there, along with a few other things. Go click into Downloads, and click Download. For first-time users, it's always a good idea just to look through it and see what it's all about and stuff, but it can be a bit confusing. The Nexus and a lot of forums on this DragonAge Nexus and the BioWare social network is a good place to find answers to questions that'll probably come up when you're looking through this tool set. A little small program that I like to use and makes things easier is called the DAtool DA Model Manipulator. You can find it again on the BioWare social network, and it's just a small tool. I'll show you what it does. Just bear with me. Alright, so you click on this. Once you install it, open it up. It's just a small application. You can ignore this. And you click on File, Browse Models. You can select characters, creatures, just anything from here. And we'll select human female. And it just kind of displays all the vanilla models that DragonAge has in their game, such as armors and stuff like that. Holding down Control and using the right and left arrows on your keyboard, you can switch and view the different models available. So, what I use this for exactly is to go through all the models and look for a hair model. Now, for some reason, my tool isn't working right now, but what that should be showing is not only the scalp, but the hairstyle, like a vanilla hairstyle, like the bun or the small ponytail, such. So once you find your desired hair mesh, and with its textures, you go into File and click Save All. And this will show you select the directory of where you want your stuff saved. So it's just a simple program that has a nice interface that can help you find the models that you want. You don't need it, but it is helpful. Next thing you need is Blender. Blender 2.49b to be exact. You can use other things like Blender, like 3ds Max and Lightwave. There are scripts for that, import-export scripts, but I'm using Blender. One, because it's free and I've just been using it, that I don't want to go and have to learn a whole new different program. So this is what I'll be using for my tutorial. You just select it, click on the download, and it shows you you can use various different downloads for different operating systems. So this one is the one I downloaded. So like it says, you need Python 2.6 to run it. So you should install Python before Blender. Otherwise, might be some downloading issues. And that's about it for Blender. And then with Blender, you're going to need the DragonAge import export script, where you can find at the DragonAge Nexus. You just click on your search, DragonAge, Blender script, and it should be able to pop up. So this is what it looks like. You click on Files, and I recommend the Dragon Blender version 11 or 1.1, I don't know. It's got a simple interface that is good for first-time users. The newest one, Dragon Blender 20, has more stuff in it, but it can be a bit more complicated if you don't really know what you're doing if it's the first time. So I recommend version 11. Download it and install it, or there should be a README to help you install it. Now I'm going to show you the resources of where I get hairstyles and meshes and models. So there's a program called XNA Lara, and this is the download page. Just follow the instructions to download it. And why I like this is, well, originally it used to be a program to help mod Tomb Raider, but now people have ported a whole bunch of different models from various video games. So, for example, Batman, Arkham City, we'll just click on that. And let's click on Catwoman. See? And so when you download this, after installing the program, you install it, put it in where it needs to be, and then you have this model in T-pose, and you can just pose it however which way you want. It's a pretty neat tool. Second is this site called paysitesmustbedestroyed.org. I don't know really this whole legal part of it, but when you scroll all the way down, it says this little link right here. You click on it. Click on TS2, which stands for The Sims 2, and I will explain why you click on that one in a short second. And it shows a whole different links, like the different meshes from these sites that you get, that you can access. So I select Peggy, New C Sims, New C, and Rose Sims. Put that up into now. And click on Female Hair for Peggy's Zone. And just shows you all these various meshes that you'll be able to download and use for your hair porting stuff. For this project, I will be using Summer Flavor. I figured it's more of a simple hairstyle, and it kind of looks lore friendly, so I'll be using this today. So you download the zip file, and open it up. Oops, it's not going to show. Alright. Where is it? There it is. So you open up the zip file, and you get these bunch of files, and they're called packages. And in order to open these up, you need another program called SimPE. It's free. You download it, install it, and you'll be able to open up these packages right here, which you'll need to import into Blender. The mesh package is the 3D model itself, and then the rest of these are just colors, like the different texture colors, different hair colors, like red, blonde, brown, black, white, gray, silver, whatever. So that is that. Those are all the programs that I've used, and I've showed you links. The links will also be down at the bottom of the in the comments section, and I will end my first video here, and thank you for watching.